a to-do list app with voice assistant. Using React and the Web Speech API, you'll be able to say your tasks out loud and watch them appear instantly in your to-do list. Let's dive right into it. Open your terminal and type npx create React app voice to do cd voice to do npm start. Now let's build the core of our app, the to-do list. We'll manage our tasks using useState and store them in local storage so they persist on refresh. src app.js. Import React. UseState, use effect from React. Import use voice command from /use voice command. Const app equals. Const task set tasks equals useState. Const input useState. Use voice command task equals set tasks prev id date.now text task done falsy. Const add task equals if input trim return set tasks id date.now text false set input. Const toggle done id set tasks task map tasks task id equal id task done task. Const delete task equals id. Set tasks filter tasks cast.id equals id. Use effect const saved JSON parse local storage item tasks set tasks saved. Use effect local storage.set item tasks JSON stringify tasks. Return div class named app h1 voice controlled input type text value input. Placeholder add a task on change e set input e target value on key down e.key equals enter and add task. Button on click add task. Tasks.map t like ti style text decoration line through none not text button. Toggle done delete task Titan. Try saying add task call mom div export default app. Now let's add the voice control magic. We'll use the Web Speech API to recognize voice input and convert it to tasks. src/use voice command import use effect from React. Const use voice command equals on command detected equals use effect. Const speech recognition equals window.speech recognition window.webkit speech recognition. If speech recognition return. Const recognition is new speech recognition. Recognition.continuous equals true. Recognition.lang equals enus. Recognition.onResult equals event equals and const transcript equals event.results event results.length 0 transcript.trim. If transcript.to lowercase starts with add task, const task equals transcript.slice 9 trim. If task on command detected task, recognition.start return equals recognition.stop on command detected. Export default use voice command. Whenever you say something like add task, buy groceries, the task will automatically be added to the list. Let's add some quick styling to make it look nice. Text align center, font family sans serif, padding 20px, input, padding 10px, width 200px, button, margin 5px, padding 5px 10px. UL, list style none, padding 0. Let's try it out.